pain plus reflection equals progress. If you don't feel the pain, you never reflect on it. So my thing is I spend 80% of my time focused on the beautiful things in my life, the things I'm grateful for, the beautiful things that I want to bring into existence, all of it. 20% of the time, though, I'm in the darkness, man. I'm in that Tim Grover, relentless, I'm going to make this happen if I have to break myself. And I'm not afraid to lean into that because I know how powerful it is.
Whatever pain you have been through, whatever pain you are going through, know that it was not sent to make you weaker. Know that it was sent to make you stronger. Trust that it wasn't sent to beat you down, but to raise you up. Trust that it wasn't sent to break you, but to make you. Think of your life like a giant puzzle. In order to complete the puzzle, the masterpiece that is your life, every piece is just as important as the other. You have different shapes, different colors. On their own, they seem random and incomplete, but together they make sense. Once all the pieces come together, you can see the bigger picture. You have to be able to see the bigger picture in your life, or at least have faith. Your puzzle will come together in life. But your puzzle won't come together unless you have your eyes open. If you quit and walk away, your puzzle will never come together. If you give up at the first sign of struggle, you might not get to see the bigger picture of your life. Your masterpiece will become together piece by piece if you keep going.
So if nature only gave you two things to motivate you, pleasure and pain, why would you eliminate half of them? And so most people think that life is about avoiding the pain. I'm here to tell you right now, in a very controlled fashion, it is about really experiencing the pain, learning from it.
Your pain is a part of the puzzle that is your life. You might think you could do without those pieces, but without them, you are not whole. You are missing something. Every single part of a puzzle is as important as the next piece. And likewise, every single event of your life made you who you are today. Without pain and struggle, you wouldn't have strength and character. Without negative people, you might not appreciate the positive people in your life. Without that rejection or breakup, you might not have been guided to something better. Without that person saying you couldn't do it, you might not have had the motivation to do it. Without sadness and depression, you might lack the compassion and caring you have today. Without experiencing what you do not want, you may not be so clear as to what you do want.
Teresa taught me that no matter how out of control your life might seem, you will always have control over your actions right now. So do one thing and take responsibility of the outcomes so that you can steer your life in a positive direction.
Without painful endings, you may not have been led to that great new beginning. There is a reason and a purpose in everything, and a true blessing in everything if you can open your eyes to see it and open your heart to know it. Don't ask why. Don't say, I didn't deserve this. Ask, how can I use this? How can this make me stronger, better, wiser? Use the pain in your life as fuel to take you wherever you need to go. Use the mess in your life as a blessing to take you someplace better. Have faith and trust that some endings are sent for new beginnings. It might not feel great at the time, but keep your head up and be open to the fact that you deserve better, and if you keep believing, you will get better. Be open to the fact that you cannot see the rest of the puzzle just yet, but just trust it will be a masterpiece. All of us experience pain and hard times, only some of us use that pain to grow. Don't just go through it, go through it. It will make you better if you can find the courage inside you to keep going. Come out the outer side of your pain, stronger, better, and wiser. The Rock once said, "I like to use the hard times in the past to motivate me today." Use the hard times of your past to motivate you, not as an excuse, but as your purpose. If you keep believing, have faith, keep growing and working on yourself, everything will come together perfectly at the right time. Thank you so much.